Hi friends, my name is Rohan Vasudev. In this session, we are going to talk about collections in Unity C#. What are collections? Collections are specialized classes that store series of values or objects or elements. With the help of collections, we can perform various operations. What are these operations that we can perform with the help of collections classes? We can store data or values, we can update data or values, we can delete data or values, we can retrieve them, and we can also sort them. So what are the types of collections? Collections are basically categorized into two collection classes, and they are as follows: generic collections and non-generic collections. What are generic collections? Generic collections are defined in system.collections.generic space. So whenever we want to use generic collections, we have to use the namespace system.collections.generic defined by set of interfaces and classes. Interface is a blueprint of a class. Generic collections handles data in a type safe manner, and it eliminates the type mismatch. So what is a type safe manner? Type safe here simply means that one data type cannot be assigned to another data type. Here are some generic collections classes. First is your list, contains data of a specified type. List grows automatically upon adding data or elements to it. Sorted list. Sorted list always stores data in key and value pairs. So the data that will be stored inside the sorted list will always be in a key value pairs. The elements are added in the ascending order of key. Dictionary. Dictionary stores data in key value pairs again, but the elements that are added to it won't be in the ascending order of the key. Queue. What is a queue? Values are stored in first in and first out manner. What is first in and first out manner? It simply means that the elements that are added first will be first to be retrieved. It has enqueue method to add values to the queue and dequeue method to retrieve the values. So when you use dequeue method, it not only retrieve the values, but it also removes the values from the queue. What is non-generic collections? Non-generic collections is defined in system.collections namespace. So when we want to use non-generic collections, we have to specify system.collections as a namespace inside the script. It can handle any type of object, but the data is not handled in a type safe manner here. So this is the difference between a generic collection and a non-generic collection. Generic collections basically handles data in a type safe manner. Non-generic collections does not handle data in a type safe manner. Here are some non-generic collection classes. First is your ArrayList. ArrayList stores objects of any data type, grows automatically upon adding the element. Then we have Hashtable. Hashtable stores data again in key value pairs. Values can be retrieved by hash values of the keys. Then we have stack, stores the values in last in and first out manner, which is your LIFO manner. What is LIFO manner? LIFO manner simply means that the data to be added last will be the first data to be retrieved. Push method is used again to store a value here, and pop and peek methods are used to retrieve the value stored inside the stack. That's it for this session. In the next session, we are going to have a look at some generic collection classes. We're going to have a look at a list, how to create a list inside Unity C#. So thank you guys. I will see you in the next session. Thank you so much.